Good morning, folks. Today is Monday, June 19th, 2023, and here's what's coming up this week in TAPPS.
We're good? All right. Hey, thanks everybody for showing up. This is day 4 for us. It's been a good week. The weather hasn't been as bad as we thought it might be. Got a little warm yesterday, but the first 2 days...
We just wrapped up 4 days of sand volleyball at the Game On Sports Complex in Fort Worth. You can find full results for each bracket and each division on the TAPPS website. We've also got awards graphics for the top 3 finishers and consolation finishers. You can find those at TAPPS Volleyball on Twitter. We had photographers on site for all 4 days. You can expect to see those on our Smug Mug page in the coming weeks. Also last week.
Guys, thank you so much for taking time off this week. We all do this because it's a labor of love. I hope you got something from this week that you found useful, that you'll be able to take that back and apply it in your classroom or in your own work, and enjoy the rest of your summer.
We thanked everyone but you, Mark. So thank everyone.
The Association of Texas Photography Instructors wrapped up its summer workshop in Fort Worth. We had 2 TAPPS schools represented this year. The ATPI Summer Workshop is a great opportunity for teachers of photo and video to acquire new skills for their media classrooms and is offered every summer. Visit atpi.org for more information. ATPI also offers a winter conference for instructors and for students, and that will be held in Austin this coming February 23rd and 24th. More information on the ATPI website. Coming up this week.
Go! There you go. Good job.
Our final competition of 2022-2023 6-on-6 and 7-on-7 football tournaments will take place this Friday and Saturday, June 23rd and 24th at the Heart of Texas Soccer Fields in Waco. More information on the TAPPS website. And be sure to follow @TAPPS Football on Twitter for more as we get closer to the event. The heat will be a factor this year, so if you're joining us to cheer on your team, please be prepared. In other news, last week we announced that Vanta is the new partner for TAPPS Esports. In addition to powering our esports leagues, Vanta will offer supplemental coaching and development services, including esports coaches for teams, esports development training, training camps, and professional development for TAPPS esports coaches and educators. We will continue to offer fall and spring esports championships. The partnership also includes the launch of a middle school league for our schools. Read the full press release on the TAPPS website. More information will be forthcoming. We'd like to thank everyone who's filled out our listener survey so far. This helps us gauge interest in continuing TAPPS audio productions. If you have listened to any of our shows this year and have a few minutes to spare, please visit tapps.biz/survey and tell us a little bit about yourself and what we can do better. Thank you. That's it for This Week in TAPPS. This Week in TAPPS is a production of the Texas Association of Private and Parochial Schools. It is produced and hosted by me, John Skies, the Director of Media for TAPPS. Brian Bunselmeyer is our Executive Director. Robert Huckabee is our Associate Director and Director of Compliance. Steve Prudhomme is our Associate Director. Steve Fuhulan is our Athletic Director. Rhonda Smith is our Director of Fine Arts. Liz Cornett is our General Manager of Corporate Partnerships. Kelly Bay, Delaney Bunselmeyer, Will Dixon, and Vicki Morgan help keep everything running smoothly in the TAPPS office, from transfer paperwork to event logistics to live broadcasts. Music in this episode by DivKid. Thank you for listening. See you next week.